industry has witnessed record-breaking double-digit growth rates. Our next category is Machinery, Electricals and Electronics SME of the Year. And here are the nominees.
In the category Machinery, Electricals and Electronics SME of the Year, the nominations are Sahajanan Technologies, Oilmax Systems and Desire Energy Solutions. And the winner is Oilmax Systems.
Let's all take a closer look at Oilmax Systems' journey to date.
Founded in 2010, Oilmax Systems is engaged in manufacturing and exporting centrifugal oil cleaning systems with an installation base of over 50,000 units. Having a strong customer base, including renowned names such as Ford, Hyundai, Tata, Siemens, among others, Oilmax is a trusted name for unique oil cleaning system solutions.
I am Ashutosh Gokhale, Director Oilmax Systems Private Limited, Pune. We are very happy and excited to receive ET Now Leaders of Tomorrow Season 8 SME of the Year Award in Machinery, Electrical and Electronics segment. We thank ET Now for this great initiative to identify and recognize SMEs for their achievements and place them on national level.
Many congratulations.
I am really appreciating the initiative of encouraging the MSME who are doing excellent job, upgradation of technology, having good turnover. At the same time, they are now will be capable to make more export for the country.